everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this pink glowy makeup look using affordable Indian makeup products. A glowy base always start with a hydrated skin and I have already prepped my skin. So for that glowy makeup look, I'm using this Mars Illuminati base primer, and next I'm using this orange shade from Inside Cosmetic Color Corrector palette and applying it around my mouth and under my eyes. For foundation, I'm using this Pilgrim Dream Made Serum foundation. It's lightweight, blends beautifully and gives a soft skin-like finish. I really like how it gives natural matte finish to the skin, and I'm applying it with Mars brush so that the base look natural and glowy. And now I'm using my all-time favorite Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 04, which is medium beige. I'm applying it under my eyes and around my mouth. It gives a full coverage and the formula is too good. To make my makeup long lasting, I'm using this Mars Cosmetic 2-in-1 compact powder. And now for defining my eyebrows, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. I'm just filling in the gaps and giving them a natural shape. For eye makeup, I'm using this Mars eyeshadow palette. I am so obsessed with this palette because it has such a pretty shade, especially the shimmer shade. They are so pretty. Firstly, applying this pink shade on my lid, and then I'm applying this brown shade on the outer corner of my lid. Now adding this stunning pink shimmer shade on the center of my eyelid. I'm applying it with my fingers in a tapping motion because it's so pigmented. No eye makeup is complete without the liner, so I'm using this Serum Cosmetic liquid liner. The tip is so good that you can easily draw a perfect wing eyeliner. Now using this Swiss Beauty mascara to add volume to my lashes. I love how this mascara add volume and length to my lashes and make my eyes look bigger. Now using this Mars Cosmetic powder blush and applying it on the apple of my cheeks and little bit across my nose for that sun-kissed vibe. Now adding a highlighter from the Sugar Cosmetic 3-in-1 palette. Applying on the inner corner of my eyes, on the tip of my nose and on the highest point of my cheekbone. For lips, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Cherry Brown lip liner. So this lip combo is for those who love nude with a touch of pink. So after lining my lips, what I do is I smudge my liner with my fingers, and then I'm applying this liquid lipstick from Swiss Beauty in a tap.